Hardware stores don't want you to know this. Never throw your leaky siphon in the trash again. A plumber taught me this trick. And when you learn it, you'll thank me for the rest of your life. When your siphon gets leaky and starts leaking water, what do? People usually put a bucket underneath it to keep the whole floor from getting wet, and then go to a hardware store to buy a new one, right? Don't do that anymore. I'm going to teach you a very easy and quick trick to fix a leaky siphon. First, turn off the faucet and don't turn it on again. Now, remove the siphon from your sink. This tip is great, especially if you don't want to spend money, or if it's a holiday or very late, because usually all the stores are closed. Here I've already removed my siphon, and as you can see, the siphon is cracked. And we don't need to throw away a new siphon just because of this crack. By doing this, which I'm going to teach you, you'll save a lot. To do this, we'll need a plastic bottle like this one. Now we're going to cut this bottle, just a piece of it, and that's it. We've already cut it to the ideal size to use. Now, place this bottle around the crack, like this. Now, we're going to need a heat gun. However, if you don't have one, you can use a hairdryer. Now just turn it on and release the hot steam over the bottle. Turn it to reach all sides of the plastic bottle. As you can see, the plastic shrinks and takes on the same shape as the siphon. And here it is, ready. Notice that the plastic is completely sealed. This will prevent water from escaping through the crack. Now, just place it back in the same place it was. And now we can test it. As you can see, not a drop of water comes out of the siphon. This totally works. This is perfect for you to use in an emergency, or simply for you who want to save money. Have you heard of this plumber's trick? I'll see you in the next video. God bless you all.